Hello there. I'm going to replace the cigarette lighter on this Nissan Sentra 2013. I just didn't find a video, so this one broke. So what I'm doing is taking everything out. You need the key and put the shift gear, put it on neutral. So I bought this one here. Let's see if it works, if this one works. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this one apart. You might need something like this. Carefully, the corners, then over here on the side, this will come out this way. You see how it is? This here, when you put it back, you have to put it here first. Then you're gonna need Allen wrench, one here and one here. This is the tool right here. So let's start over here on the bottom. Carefully, all the way around. Put this all the way in low. Just carefully turn it around and unplug it. Unplug it by pressing down here and pulling. There you go. So this is it right here. Just to make it easier on us, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two screws here. Actually, you got two more screws, one here and one here. So to take this out, the base part here, there's two clips here, one here and one on the other side, that you have to press them, push out. I press and the clips are around and it comes. Alright, so this is what we are working with. This is the cable that comes from the car, and it goes here on the white one, and this part goes to the old factory lighter here, cigarette lighter. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, which is like a universal one. This part out, save it. So this one here, just unscrew out, and on the part here, this is what you see. Just take this part, put it in the back, and this part screw in here and tie it up. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's pretty tight. See, I'm gonna go ahead now and cut this cable here. I'm gonna choose to cut it and put this piece, two of these pieces here, and just connect them. Alright, so let's cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these cables here. I'll save this just in case. Not bad. So I'm using this one's better because the hole is bigger, because this is 14 gauge, I believe. So everything will fit inside, and it is also insulated. Good. Now let's go ahead and put a positive here and negative on top. If it doesn't work, just change it and put it back. Let's give it a try by inserting this here and trying it. Alright, so let me put the switch on. There's a blue light here supposed to work. There you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and put these two screws first. Don't over tight, you don't want it to strip. Go ahead and clip on. I will do from top to bottom. So at this moment I could put it back to parking. I'm gonna go ahead and put the last part. I'm cleaning the parts as I go. So like going up and little by little in. That should do it. So there we have it. The lighter working. Just turn on your car, put your device. Hey, can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.